Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we have serious development from Juba, Pibor and Twic County. We will talk about the court delay in the trial of first by President Dr. Machar, the leader of South Sudan or Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition, which is SPLMIO. We will also talk about a deadly attack in Pibor, Greater Pibor administrative area, where women and children were abducted. And finally, we'll talk about another violent cattle raid in Twic County that left 10 people dead. These stories show that while leaders speak of peace, many communities are still suffering. Before we begin this report, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin our report with court adjourned trial of first by President Dr. Machar. Today, February 13, 2026, the trial involving South Sudan suspended first by President Dr. Machar has been delayed. According to the court stopped the session on Friday because of problem with document presented by the prosecution. Let me explain. The court was supposed to continue hearing the case. The defense team was ready to question a digital expert who had presented evidence earlier in the week, the South African forensic expert. But when the session began, the judge noticed something was wrong, something was missing. The documents from the prosecution were not properly organized. According to the court, some pages were missing numbers, some references were unclear, and there were differences between the original report and the copy version given to the defense team. Because of this confusion, the judge said they could not continue. One of the judge, Stephen Simon Isaac, explained that the court could not move forward because the file were not properly arranged. He stated that the defense could not cross-examine the witness if the documents were unclear, so the court postponed the case until Monday, February 16, 2026. The three judges panel include presiding judge James Halala, Stephen Simon Isaac, and Purma Jok. Dr. Machar lawyers John Deng told the court that there were clear difference between the original document and the copy. He requested the original report so the defense team can properly question the witness. This shows how serious legal procedures are. If documents are not correct, the court cannot continue. Dr. Machar, who is 73 years old now, and 7 other accused individuals face very serious charges: treason, crime against humanity, mass murder, terrorism, and destruction of property. Well, you know, these charges are connected to an attack that happened in March 2025 in Nasser, where an army base was attacked and many soldiers, including a commander, were killed, which the Dr. Machar supporter denied, saying that this is politically motivated. This case is very important for South Sudan's political future. Many citizens are watching closely. Now let me speak directly to you. When a case of this level is delayed because of paperwork problem, people began to ask questions. Is the legal process strong enough? Are procedures being followed carefully? Will justice be fair for everyone involved? Justice must not only be done, it must be seen to be done. So what do you think? Comment below. Let's move on to our second top story. Deadly attack in Greater Pibor administrative area. According to the report, now we move to Pibor, okay? Which is February 12, 2026, according to the report, at least 3 people were killed and 4 others were injured, and 17 people, including women and children, were abducted, and more than 375 cattle were stolen, according to the report. This attack happened in Manyabul Payam of Gumruk County in Greater Pibor administrative area. The information minister of the Greater Pibor administrative area, Jacob Wershum Jok, said army used from neighboring Jonglei carried out the attack around 2 p.m. Among those abducted, 12 children were abducted and 5 women, in total 17. This is heartbreaking. Children taken from their home, families separated, and community living in fear. Let's look at the response from Jonglei. In Jonglei, the information minister, Nyamarlun Tichut, well, she confirmed that they were informed about the attack. She said authorities have launched an investigation. A team has been sent to find out what happened exactly. But investigation takes time. Meanwhile, families are waiting. That is a serious case. Well, ongoing problem in the region, cattle raiding and child abduction are common in the greater Jonglei region. Despite peace talks and government effort, violence continues between communities. This cycle of revenge has lasted many years with no solution. When one side attack, the other side respond, and ordinary civilians suffer. Let's pause here. Well, imagine being a parent whose child is taken during an attack. Imagine losing your cattle, your only source of income. This is not just a news story. This is real pain. South Sudan needs a stronger local peace solution. What solution do you think can work? Community peace dialogue, stronger security forces, disarmament. Many people are blaming the government of South Sudan for not controlling this ongoing exchanging, cattle raiding, abducting children. Many times, Greater Pibor administrative area have been accused several times of raiding cattle, abducting children. And now it happened to Greater Pibor administrative area where their children are abducted. So, in order for this to stop, the government of South Sudan should interfere and hold those responsible accountable for their actions. Let's move on. 10 deaths in Twic County, cattle raid. Now we move to another violent incident. At least 10 people were killed and 3 wounded during cross-border cattle raid. The attack happened around 1 a.m. Army youths reportedly crossed from Mayom County in Unity State in Twic County in Warab State. The commissioner of Twic County, John Mabur, say army attacker crossed the river and entered cattle camp. They stole cattle and injured 3 local men, but local youths known as Gelweng chased them. Later, the attackers were ambushed. 10 of the raiders were killed Some cattle were recovered. The injured survivors are receiving treatment at the Mother Teresa Health Center in Turale. The border between Warap and Unity State has a long story of cattle raid and revenge killings. Even with peace meeting between the state leaders, armed youth groups continue to move through forests and swamp areas. The commissioner of Mayom County, Jackson Mood, said these attackers were criminal not under his command. He explained that such groups move through difficult terrain, making them hard to control. So now let's look at the bigger picture. What connects these three stories? A delay, political trial in Juba, community violence in Pibor, Ketari in Twic. They show one thing. South Sudan is still facing serious security and political challenges. While leaders handle court battle in the capital, rural communities struggle with survival. Peace agreement exists on paper, but on the ground, insecurity continues. When national leaders are in court, political tension increases. When communities are fighting over cattle, trust between states decreases. All of these affect national unity. The country needs a stronger justice system, better organized security, serious community reconciliation, and youth disarmament program. Without this, violence may continue. Biakamal Guasame, Banarach Katin Kon, Tiludi and Kode Konkeling. Akan kono niam go region de Changfied YouTube channel de support. Did subscribe to the notification bell did you try and comment me bare gwal der shamala shubeke. Report niam bana lingwas bana rach kwi lokan chalunga dakhe Machar and wala gachang wal joka pyro ronkin dangro with yandang bakel. Ban madana shala trade bana jeling ang mishalat ki ang michutok to kongle dang jok to konkeling. Dung dakhe Machar kan michutok dar shal KGPAA ala greater Pibor administrative area gwal mishagat ken chaga petin and when a jani didn't ban right Riga to a Twic County, Guad Mimo, Chalado, Shangwan, and where Regina Mayom Chagagwan, Kawashi native of Powell, Chica Lieutenant Cormo, a ban Georgia Kajan astronomy. Manyam, man banalat, Balajan report make a key first by President Dr. Machar. The report in Shalat Guasame, Dr. Machar shall look the charger token wallet. We shall look charger togo, shall look to your niam and yok. Kaman chalat guasame wayana nyur ko de look de jetok chinating konti la prosecution team chicken nyur chinate konti la defend lawyer chicken nyur chicken kwara kon la kwalo chicken nyur chinate kon la gwejba chicken nyur nyur kan kachira mandan en kinating kontin kule la witness nuba wa chika nyur balo de la de jokoto atega michito guasame mugo kon linga tama Gwaza mecha Georgia Guanone, Ramadan and Kennedy Conin going at Dr. Machar, Waja take Michituogalo, should me take a document the can know. Can document at all, Chiramadan la presiding judge, Kiramadan la look at your capture. She caught Chicaladonena, a canny, Shinabu Wuniam, a look and walle, go take a document to what. What take a teacher la wargan la ka gwargan when me te muku yena lat gwalok and document kuna to biaga kula to bi yomi chiato the document to de kula kam defend lawyer ko de kan kula gwe de Ramadan and la ran forensic expert with South Africa de kan kula teach tini mande ti keje de ti ketin kon teacher nyona teacher nen yamnat misha document cha ga gwijo and a la opinion calling come defend lawyer can original copy man take ke awa dundian kan man cha kam defend lawyer chicken chat ka gurje no bikana kel anyok man jigana come defend lawyer and document dan kan to take a pinde cha which reide no te cha we reide ka tikan ko original so to cha question Chati jeno ka pinya kana mitele Canadian ko there were missing pages, key missing numbers de kolarona which mean that chatatan in chachon no michado cha chia ka chajik cha ngok cha ka chon ala chiremi era kontela prosecution team teri kan were to look no baram mom ran forensic expert by tikeke anyok wa some reference kin kone alare jama wa chika clear chicken George agwa to kuje mone Chinese county la defense lawyer Dr. Machar kala do gorne no original take yama original mo jen bene de alet ke jama and gwaz money Chinese kola jilok mi ken buguje chagu jeno tete gul tele la top then lo cha thanin cha watch lo chirmi chicken disorganized and war la mile let she let kan ngai kana bade kon chula wode evidence chika tele evident wrong to kuje mo cha ga jogo no ko shi sha evidence sha temporary keke ya lo jog biya nyo no ne no ka kuje mo ne chirne chiram ne de kon la jungone kene de kon lat ke luk chika luk ga yu kap jok ba nyo wa je lat ke chang wol bakel ka pairo no ni je lat no and Judge Stephen Simon Isaac Chelado Nena a generation abu woniam we cannot move forward ko kan file in kon gorke kan kare nyagwa kan ikana gwa kan kon la prosecution team mebe na yeru no organize yanyin kun biya relika ko shi aguro yo biya lo to rubre jemi biya relika bien lo chi relika special me document dan biya butubli na relika ajana kelm ko a copy of the original one ko wa bi yo wanam gi balakel ka defend lawyer bi karam da ran forensic expert bi kan tike do be dana je ngwa ga je amana te diale ko de chalat mu we ko lo tike do mu chaje no cheteten ba nga je no melat kana e ka jen ci to kon tam mu chawo gi kan ngwa ga ci ngwa ci ka kel ja ju no ba lu ba e kapcho ken jungona dang doctor kontin lo ko luk e je misalala jaram dan dinijen jale presiding judge ke Stephen Simon Isaac ke pur majok kene dang ko te kene kon lat ko lukate dia Dr. Machar lawyer deng John deng che jilwok che jogo nonena ajen document sha kam nei la copy de kan original lam te ke prosecution team chicken chat go ne original report ka kene de to a defense team na me nying Dr. Machar menyono di ngwa kan ka gulare nya gwane din konti la tin la prosecution team tin gwa inga Dr. Machar so ya jogo no ba ko kono ya leka mina kula lu njok ke jog so jen mandana chala de mo ke kwi lok dung first vice president kana ne ka dang baroten konti te krete jen kel yen yan ke jangai kondi ale a kwi ga mirana chitok kan nasir me chingwane nori chikerum ke de ni ssp dia chwa jo ka bara ke dan tikitin na shwana ga mena general so na mo agenda le roda bana ko gini je lat ko mandana border lat men yam ko ngaje long jena mi je joje no shina ti ka gwaire je mi ka jen kwi court kana me la one mistake la di ala ka yere ka jen team mo menen yana montama cha yara kan de kon prosecution team nyo jeno ala evidence teleka ko mo wate jugude me dong bate nganga ki dong lokono budget ajen me take a tampini kan wo jana ko angum de some numbers de ka miss ka file anyok man cha kam defend lawyer che chat kan man dan original dana take ka la original report minyo de node there's a gap there jen kwa kala jogo no ya nyo lo jok je lat biya kono so mean that che take method rieng method mjiten wana ka ler do dien te karing mu to ka dar shal ke great Pibor administrative area banjel let George chala en go chane dang dok shakanak kane dang wana amoy ka bot wami mo shingwani din ka bor de ko lar no ana chike jien ki me bi red bell group chike jien chicken we do dana te murle tikitin ano an winimi chiko nyin kane content la morle ka great Pibor administrative area chicken dor mu chala manya bol payam chicken mak chicken dang dok chicken nak ka chicken ok chop ko dang dok wi jen baro wi diech no chicken kanang ka chicken ga to chop ko wero kamandang die chicken ka nang ka rodien kel alo chicken ka page no ga dang wero kaman diech cha kanang anetin kon tin la ngani jane wan mi chika oken chika ogu page dor jaben winami ka great Pibor administrative area churi shala je ka werchum jak charach jaram dalaran information minister mala lerke la kalat yala de wonene ka 2 pm ka changdar chwane mak ka chwa dormo mute gumruk diena chwaje mak ngani tijen ka jongle state jena wena mo chika no ku dang diok ku de jen baro wonyam chukan kanang cái chú cần ga đăng vợ cái mình đăng đi chú cần cái page cái chú này thì chụp cái doc chú cái liu nên mấy giờ report an chỉ bên cái so chỉ cần nhau cái right cái này còn thì cái dòng lấy chỉ cái ran information minister mình đang thì cái dòng lấy chỉ cái cho lên nhà mar luôn t-shirt và chỉ cái right cái gì và chỉ nhà mar luôn t-shirt check confirm no take riêng mà cháu là đừng gì mình mình đã để con nên go there's a gap there and cái core này cause them mình chỉ nhà mar luôn t-shirt check confirm no chỉ thì cái này cái đấy chỉ cái grade Pibor administrative area mình đã take cái này ngom kan kana kapchong gen question ne when ngai kon channel right long ba and go kanere kon ti la murle ke grade Pibor administrative area la ngani ke gane jen buga na bana ba chaka tika so nga mu take a problem kum dum South Sudan te gare ka ko kan chicken murle chicken ke jogo no jego ba gana ba ko nan ke ba kan nan ke ba na ba na lora ba la tan kan mal mu chab respect so ne me jen dan tin antama ko me changa ka gwada shi wo shi ka jangi kana nak shi ho kini kan ngang bone so na mo chi jangi kan kula respond tam nyen kula taka menen yana mene so mi che kan chi kume South Sudan che goro bene titi buga taka mal kam ken chi de mangai kono no kan murle ku kan apnal ku kan terrorize ku kan jongle ku kan terrorize kaka ngane use ka kire use ka prison service mi yadi ko kene de kono kwa murle use wala kana wi attack ban mi chi kan kap chong tam tele ne din ne de cheng den ka chandian lo terik modela to but ko teram dier ka mana to ka ajen mala kana bana ne so right now ajen dan yi to kono but be je long no de guard de kana ne me shi mangwa guard tiene ka maniken te sha page ko la kana bana page la be jamat wana ka report da din dar shi ali Twic County wa te ka kurmi ci to tin ka kurmi to ga kam ngani wari ati jiyan kama yom ka jawdan chalat gwasame are kurmo wa chane dangwel chakanak na me report dana jen ka Twic kane kono right larkin wona ne chane dangwel chakanak tinan yenemi ka chaok to wan chakanang ador dana ci tok jeri ga dan ci tok dor mi ka jen warab state ala Twic County ka warab state ne de kono belkan nganen were kama yom county unit state wa ci ka yeri kana ngok ka chukanok ka chukan ga be pay ni ku jedo diana me wara kuro mo chine dangwel sika liu ke report dana chanung ajanda na gore de nywa konkel en ban nyo je report dien ya tegamal bye bye